हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज एक्सेल में मैं आपको 100 MCQs बताऊंगी। ठीक है। व्हाट इज एक्सेल? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा यही बनता है जब हम एक्सेल पढ़ते हैं कि एक्सेल होता क्या है। तो अ पावरफुल स्प्रेडशीट एप्लीकेशन डेवलप्ड बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट यूज्ड टू ऑर्गेनाइज, फॉर्मेट, कैलकुलेट एंड विजुअलाइज डेटा यूजिंग रो एंड कॉलम्स। Which of the following is latest version of Excel? 2019. Excel files have a default extension of .xlsx. MS Excel 2003 file extension .xls. An Excel workbook is a collection of worksheets and charts. Which symbols must all formula begin with equal? Where a row and column meet are known as a cell. The first cell in Excel worksheet is labeled as A1. What is the shortcut key to hide entire row? Control plus 9. What is the shortcut key to hide entire column? Control plus 0. Which key do you press to check spelling? F7. Which of the following is not an option of spelling dialog box? Edit. In order to perform a calculation in a spreadsheet, you need to use a formula. In maximum, how many sheets can be set as a default will creating new workbook? 255. What is the shortcut key to replace a data with in sheet? Control plus H. Data can be arranged in a worksheet in a easy to understand manner using auto formatting, applying style, changing fonts. What does the VLOOKUP function do? Find related records. Which of the following methods cannot be used to the entire the data in a cell? Pressing the ESC key. We can save and protect the workbook. Why? Protection password read only recommended write reservation password. Which setting you must modify to print a worksheet using letterhead? Margin. Which of the following which of the formulas which will Excel not be able to calculate 10 plus 50? क्योंकि बिना इक्वल के साइन यूज करें हम किसी भी वैल्यू को का रिजल्ट हमें निकल कर नहीं आ सकता है. A collection of worksheet is called workbook. Which function gives the number of characters in a string len? What does the VLOOKUP function do? Vertically searches. Which function is used to find the largest value? Maximum. What is the result of equal round? Bracket 15.789, 1. 15.8. Which function is used for conditional logic if? Which formula find a price position match? Equal if bracket 5 greater than 3, yes, no returns, yes. Which function connects index and match nested formula? Which function in Excel 365 replace VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP? Which function extracts gives left characters left? What equal trim hello return? Hello. Which function converts lowercase into uppercase upper? What the concat Excel 2025 returns? Excel 2025. Which function return a part of the text from the mid? What does equal today bracket return? Current date. Which function gives the number of days between two dates? Days. What does equal now return? Date and time. Which function remove the month from a date? Month. What equal year? ये डेट डल रही है एंड रिटर्न 2020. Which chart type show a ratio pi? What is a spark line in Excel? Mini chart. Where do you find chart options in Excel? Insert. Can you make a combo chart in Excel? Yes. What does the data label show in the chart value or name? Which feature remove duplicate values? Remove duplicates. Shortcut to applying a filter. Control plus Shift plus L. Data validation helps to restrict data entry. What is the Excel feature used in Analyze? Scenario Manager. What does flash fill do? Fill pattern quickly. What is the purpose of a pivot table? Data analysis. What cannot you do with the pivot table? Write macros. In pivot table, rows represent categories. Is a slicer usable with pivot tables? Yes. Default calculation in pivot table sum. Used for Power Query data transformation. Power Query uses which language M? Power Pivot enables big data models. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression. Is Power Pivot for Excel available in 2010? Yes, as add in shortcut to insert the current date. Control plus semicolon. Which shortcut format opens cell? Control plus 1. Shortcut for auto sum. Alt plus equal. Shortcut to insert hyperlinks. Control plus K. Shortcut to go to A1. Control plus home. Excel file extension latest. .xlsx. Maximum column in Excel 365. 16,384. Maximum row in Excel 365. 10,48,576. टेबल क्रिएशन शॉर्टकट कंट्रोल प्लस टी convert the column into a row transpose which device makes the drop down menus data validation remove all formatting clear formats shortcut to repeat the final action control plus y highlight duplicate values conditional formatting apply limit for selection control plus shift plus 7 text to column is used for splitting data cell reference with symbol is absolute. Merge and center is found under home. Shortcut to find control plus F. Conditional formatting is used. Highlight rules. What is the goal? Looking for solve equation. Excel shortcut to as a F12. Hyperlink function syntax equal hyperlink. Excel cell reference for row to column 3 sheet 2. Which tab allow freeze panes? View. Format painter copy formatting. Shortcut to hide row control plus 9. Shortcut to unhide column control plus shift plus 0. Shortcut to close Excel alt plus F4. Default Excel number format general. तो आज हमने 100 MCQs बताए हैं आपको ये आप अपनी नोटबुक में नोट भी कर सकते हैं और समझ भी सकते हैं वैसे ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है जो समझ नहीं आए समझ आ जाएंगे बहुत आसानी से आप नोट कर सकते हो तो हमारा एक्सेल अब यहीं ख़त्म होता है अब मैं आगे वीडियो जो डालूंगी वो अब मैं MS वर्ड की डालूंगी थैंक यू